Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
根据1976年版权法第107条，允许为了批评、评论、新闻报道、学术研究和研究等目的进行合理使用。合理使用是版权法允许的使用，否则可能构成侵权。非营利、教育或个人用途使平衡倾向于合理使用。